Silence is your secret weapon in negotiations, and I'm going to show you how it can give you the upper hand. Mastering the art of silence can be a game changer in negotiations. It's a powerful tool that can help you navigate complex conversations, build stronger relationships, and ultimately, get better outcomes. But, surprisingly, many of us aren't using it to our advantage. Instead, we're letting fear, anxiety, and instinct take over, causing us to talk too much and compromise on what's truly important. One of the biggest pitfalls negotiators face is the urge to fill silence. We feel uncomfortable with the quiet, and we rush to fill it with words, even if those words aren't adding value to the conversation. This can lead to oversharing, overcommitting, and sacrificing our own interests. Welcome to Life Ladder. Whether you're looking to boost your career, improve your relationships, or simply achieve greater happiness, we're here to help you every step of the way. Another common mistake is talking too much. We think that by dominating the conversation, we're asserting our authority, but in reality, we're giving the other party a chance to gather their thoughts, pick apart our arguments, and prepare their counterattack. Furthermore, many of us are prey to the pressure of silence. We feel like we need to respond immediately, without taking a moment to think, process, and strategize. This pressure can cause us to make impulsive decisions, admit too quickly, and settle for less than what we deserve. And then, there's the fear of silence, being misinterpreted as weakness or lack of confidence. We think that if we don't speak up, people will think we're not knowledgeable or capable, but in reality, silence can be a sign of strength, confidence, and thoughtfulness. Silence can be uncomfortable, especially in high-stakes negotiations, but it's precisely this discomfort that can give us an edge. When we're quiet, the other party is forced to think, reflect, and respond. They may reveal more information than they intended, show their hand, or give away their true interests. Silence can also create a sense of tension, which can be leveraged to our advantage. By staying calm, composed, and quiet, we can create an atmosphere that encourages the other party to speak up, make concessions, and seek a resolution. On the other hand, silence can also have a profound impact on us as negotiators. When we take a moment to pause, reflect, and think, we can clarify our own thoughts, prioritize our goals, and develop a more strategic approach. We can use silence to recharge, refocus, and regain control of the conversation. And, by doing that, we can make more informed, more deliberate, and more effective decisions. One of my favorite stories about the power of silence is from a former client of mine who was negotiating a multi-million-dollar deal with a Fortune 500 company. He knew that the company was under pressure to meet their quarterly targets, and he decided to use silence to his advantage. After the company made their opening offer, he simply nodded, thanked them, and said nothing. The room was quiet for what felt like an eternity, until the company's representative finally spoke up, offering a concession to try to break the silence. My client held firm, using the silence to his advantage, and eventually walked away with a deal that exceeded his expectations. In today's fast-paced, high-tech world, it's easy to forget the power of silence. We're constantly bombarded with notifications, updates, and distractions. We're often encouraged to respond quickly, without thinking twice. But, as negotiators, we need to resist this momentum and learn to harness the power of silence. By doing that, we can gain a strategic advantage, build stronger relationships, and achieve better outcomes. Want to ace your negotiations? Check out my video for a quick and easy 5-step guide to staying calm and focused. It's a game changer. In summary, mastering the art of silence is crucial in negotiations. It can help you stay calm, focused, and strategic, while also giving you an edge over the other party. So, the next time you're in a negotiation, remember the power of silence, and use it to your advantage. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you ever used silence to your advantage in a negotiation? How did it work out? Share your stories, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips that can help you to growth.